Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is a little bit different. A couple of weeks ago I was watching a video from FAYS by Not a Beauty Queen 06, and she done a video where she decorated a pop socket using nail products, and my pop socket has been hanging on for dear life. To be quite frank, it's pretty disgusting and has literally been hanging off my phone. I keep sort of like pushing it back on, sort of try and make it last a bit longer, but it's just not been having it. This is my old one. I did love the design, but as you can see, it's quite scratched up now. It's disgusting. Quite frankly, it is just gross. It's really dirty. Since it's fully come off my phone, it's just been picking up like glitter and fluff and all sorts from just being laying around. It's disgusting. It really is gross. So after watching FAYS' video, I thought it was just a brilliant idea. I really enjoyed watching hers, and her one came out beautifully. I will link her video up here, down there, and even further down there. So please go ahead and watch her video and subscribe to her and all that lovely stuff, because she's so lovely and she does brilliant videos, and her pop socket turned out amazingly. I always really struggled to find a pop socket that I really like, so I thought it was a brilliant idea to sit here and do my own. So I went ahead and had a look on eBay, and I found this plain black one. It literally cost me like £2 or something like that, and today I'm going to be decorating it. So if you're unsure as to what a pop socket is, basically here are some double-sided sticky tape. So you peel that back, and what you do is you place it onto your phone like so, and then you can pop it out, have it on your phone like that, and it kind of works like a sort of holder, so you can hold your phone, and also if you place it in the right place you can sort of prop your phone up and use it when you're watching TV, which I find really useful. And I've sort of just got into a habit of always having a pop socket, and it just doesn't feel right without one, and it's been about a week or so now without one, and I'm just more inclined to drop my phone like that, so really need to get a new one on there. And what I'm going to do today, as you can see, this is my phone case here. We've got a nice big purple dream catcher, and then you've got all of these glitters in there that do move around. And yeah, I absolutely love this phone case. I think it's beautiful, and yeah, I've had it for quite a while now. Again, it's sort of a bit off colour and it's a bit gross, but I love this phone case, and I'm going to try and do something on my pop socket that's sort of same sort of colours and all sparkly, just like my phone case. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing yet, but I know I'm going to start off with some glow in the dark multi-mix glitter from Smiley's Glitter Store, simply because like when I'm fumbling around in the middle of the night, it's good to have something that's going to be glowing so I can pick up my phone. Is sort of what I'm thinking. But yeah, I'm going to jump straight in and start faffing about and see what I can come up with my pop socket. So I'm going to start off by going over some Model 1's base coat. I do quite like this base coat. It's not one of my favourites, but it's not bad, it's not terrible. But I'm just sort of going to go around the edge of the pop socket with some base coat, just so I can adhere the glitter to it nice and easy. And then I'm just going to grab some of these hexes and stuff. You got like little stars and you got moons in this mix. It's a really gorgeous mix by Smiley's actually. I really like it, and I have actually currently got it on my fingernails at the moment. I've got a mixture there between the Savvyland Diamond Body Gel and a few of the moons and stuff from this particular glitter mix, and I love it. It's one of my favourites. It's super holographic and super shiny, and very much got the purple tint to it as well, which is what I wanted, because obviously my phone case is purple. I don't want too many of the moons and stars. I'm just sort of more after the actual like glitter, because I just want that for the glow in the dark effect. But I'm going to have a couple of moons and stars in there as well. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do actually is just sort of push these a bit more sort of clumped together, because I don't want the ring to be sort of too wide, but I also want like the ring to be sort of very glittery. So I'm just going to sort of push what I've done a bit more together and bunch it up a bit more, trying to make sure that I'm not letting any of the glitter go over the edge. Okay, then I'll whack that in my lamp and let it do its thing for a minute. Okay, so that's cured. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in again with another little layer and just sort of bulk up that glitter around the edge a bit more. Okay, so that was pretty much as far as like I had planned in my head that I wanted to do, but I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with some of this glitter called Amethyst from the Birthstone collection on Smiley's Glitter Store. I've also got here Parma Violets from Sparkle Supplies UK, Hestia, which is in the Chameleon collection again from Sparkle Supplies UK. And then I've got these Aurora Giggles from Smiley's as well. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be using all of them, but I'm sort of like making it up as I go along. And so far, that's sort of what I've got out. But I'm just going to start off with the Amethyst first. And again, I'm just going to go in with some base coat. I'm not particularly being very neat here, but I don't really feel like I need to be. So I'm just sort of slabbing that on around there. And then I'm just going to do like a relatively thin layer, I think, of this around the edge of the glow in the dark ring. I really like this glitter mix. I love all the ones from Smiley's Birthstone collection. They're really nice glitter mixes. And this one's got all the little stars in it as well. I'm very much into like my moons and my stars and stuff like that. I know this is looking a bit sloppy right now, but hopefully once it's done it'll look pretty awesome. That's what I'm hoping. Hopefully it won't be a complete disaster. But I love being creative like this, and that's why I don't mind like buying like glitter and gems and stuff all the time, because I don't just use them for nails, you know, I use them for all sorts, especially glitter. Like even if I was to ever give up doing nails one day, like I still feel like it's not a problem because I still use my gems and my glitter and everything all the time. It's so multi-purpose, you can just use glitter with everything, can't you? You always need sparkle in your life. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of these Giggles shapes onto that. I'm not going to go too overboard, I literally only want a couple. Okay, so I've top coated it, buffed it and all that lovely stuff. I'm now going to go in with Taro Milk and I'm going to paint a relatively small circle with that. Okay, so I've given that 3 coats of polish. I also top coated it. I'm going to go with my Born Pretty purple, like pearly pigment powder. So I know it's looking a bit scruffy right now. Oh, why did I go and do that? See, when I've got nail extensions on, I always pour the pigment into the lid, just because it's easier to get into rather than trying to sort of get into it with my nail, if you know what I mean. Because I haven't had extensions on for a while, I'm still sort of getting used to them again, and that was just a complete waste of pigment powder. I just have a feeling this is going to be a complete disaster. Yeah, I'm just going to go in with another good layer of top coat again. I know it's looking sloppy, but like I said, I'm planning on encapsulating it once I've sort of finished faffing about all my designs anyway, so it doesn't really have to be all even and level right now anyway. I'm literally just sealing in the design as I go. But yeah, I'm just going to pop that one in the lamp again. Okay, so I've also gone in with a layer of matte top coat just because it helps when drawing freehand. I'm going to go in with 620 from Beetle's collection, Spring and Summer collection. So okay, as you can see, I've sort of drawn like the main part of my design. So I've got these glow in the dark pigment powders that I've not actually used yet, but I'm hoping they're going to work really well. And I'm just going to put a layer of the purple pigment. I'm just going to put a layer of this purple one over that wet design that I've done there. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my sort of thinner detailer brush that I've got and just sort of do some more finer details, sort of make it look more sort of dream catchery. Okay, so as you've just seen, I have encapsulated it with polygel. I used my Canon polygel in clear from Amazon, and then I've just buffed it, sanded it all down, made sure it's as even as I can get it. Stuck it on the back of my phone, as you can see. Although, unfortunately, as you can see, I stuck it on a bit sort of more to this side. I wanted it to be central, but oh well, it is what it is. But anyways, I'm going to put some crystals on now and top coat it and make it all shiny and pretty, and then I think I'm done. Okay, so yeah, that is my pop socket. I know it's not the greatest, it's a bit messy actually, and it does kind of look a bit hectic with the phone case. Maybe it weren't the best to do it so similar, but I like it anyway, it's cute. And it does really glow in the dark very well. Like, you can't really fault that at all. I have got glow in the dark polish on my nails as well. But like, the sort of dream catcher bit I did there definitely glows really well. But the glitter doesn't really do a huge amount, but that's okay. But overall I'm happy with it. So yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed the video. I've enjoyed doing this, something a bit different. Thank you to Faye from Not a Beauty Queen for inspiring me to do my own. Like I said, please go over and watch her channel and subscribe. She's a really lovely lady and she puts out awesome videos regularly. And yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you could go on over to her channel and check out her one as well. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Much love everyone, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!